Ayan, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Start na tayo ng ating ride for today. Pinag-aagahan natin. Time check, it's 5:03. Ayan, aga-aga pa. Kasi gusto natin makarami-rami ng konti para hindi tayo masyadong mag-burn sa araw, ng araw. Kaya mag-dilim pa, although ganda naman yung ilawan dito ngayon. Agenda for today, same thing, minimum 50, but we will push for more, 60 or 70. So di natin alam, but for sure minimum 50. Hinagaan ko because parang so mag-push to 70, pero not sure yet. Titignan natin sa ating condition later on. And ang hangin ngayon, walang hangin. So yeah, let's go. Start na tayo. Good morning and let's ride. So, pasok na tayo dito. May kalakasan at kalamigan yung hangin So, lang tayo, chill lang tayo for now. Stay in zone 2 pa rin tayo. Kahapon medyo lumagpos-lagpos tayo ng mga kumahagyang bahagya, pero kakahabol natin sa average speed. Pero ngayon we will stick in zone 2. Maaga-aga tayo, kaya hindi natin mamadaliin. Hangin So yan, let's go. Wow. So ito, so far 10 kilometers, 28 minutes. Yan, lumalabas yung araw. Time check, it's 5:33. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin to. Paspasin natin habang walang araw. So on that note, shoutout na rin tayo. Shoutout sa mga subscribers natin dyan. Salamat po sa support. Sa mga bagong subscribe po, welcome po sa ating channel, Pao to Fit. And those who are watching na hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. I need your help. Isang click lang po dyan, malaking tulong po sa atin yan. Siyempre yung mga suki natin, sila Mr. and Mrs. Tutuyani Adventure, si Antonio tsaka si Mary, si Antonio tsaka si Ma'am Mary, si RJ Candelaria, si Kasaklay, si Moy, si Remski, si Romski, si Enola Alone, Boyong Guevara, si Nupa ba, at sa inyong lahat. Yan, maraming salamat po. Pasensya na sa mga nakakalimutan ko Medyo tumatanda na tayo at marami na nakakalimutan. Ayan. So, continue na natin. Tuloy na natin to sa sharing is caring stories. Share ko lang sa inyo. As a cyclist, I'm still considering myself as a noob, a rookie, bagito na rider, na cyclist. So, ano bang gusto ko? What do I want to have, or what I need to have? Maybe doon tayo sa want. So simulan natin sa bike. So kung mag-upgrade tayo ng bike, ano bang i-upgrade ko? I'm going to upgrade to what bike? Siguro di yung realistically the one that medyo kaya ng ating lifestyle. Siguro yung Scott Addict or Scott Addict, or maybe yung Giant Propel or yung Defy. Yan. So mga ano lang, yung may mga 105 na component lang. Siguro kung if the price is kaya ng budget, okay lang akong mag Di2, pero yung 105 na Di2, not necessarily na I want that, or okay lang sa akin yung normal na 105 na group set. Yan sa bike. So syempre gusto pa rin natin yung full carbon. And dito kasi medyo, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, dito lang yung nararamdaman ko, medyo it's kinda intimidating to join a group ride, especially yung mga grupo na ang mga bike nila mga power bikes, mga ganyan. Tapos mag-join ng Java, so medyo it's kinda intimidating from the yan yung ano natin sa bike, if I want to upgrade or what I want to upgrade to. I don't know if that's a big if that's a necessary upgrade, or I'll just stick to what I have, just upgrade the components. Not sure. And then what else? Jersey, I don't mind wearing Timo jerseys. And this cycling shorts, so okay lang sa akin yan, I don't mind that. Accessories, wanted to have a good helmet, of course. Kailangan natin mag-upgrade na ng helmet, so that soon will happen if the budget allows. And ano pa ba, a good pair of sunglasses. Yung mga wala tayo nung yung beginner pack ng ng mga cyclists. Wala ko hindi ko alam kung ano pangalan ng Oakley na yun. Anyway, yun. What else? Syempre, most of the time I ride solo, so I want to have that the Bluetooth earphones na yung hindi nakasaksak sa loob ng tenga. I don't know what's it called, shook ba yun or whatever. Yun, yung ganon. So gusto ko yung magbili ng ganon. So if the budget allows us, it's hindi naman yan necessary for now. It's just something that yung makakadagdag sa enjoyment mo sa pagbabike. So as it is right now, I'm enjoying what I do sa pag-ride. So ano pa ba ang gusto ko? From helmet, accessories, jersey siguro, but that's the last thing that I would buy, the pricey jersey. So okay na sa akin yung mga tagpo 40-50 dirhams na jersey. Siguro bike computer ito. I wanted to have the yung maayos size na bike jersey, maybe bike jersey. Yung bike computer, maybe a Wahoo or a Garmin. And I wanted to yung bumili ng mga yung heart rate sensor yan. And gusto ko, what else? Yun lang ang naiisip kong what I want, na naiisip ko na I wish sana makabili ako nito, sana makabili ako. So starting from bike, not so much because I'm happy with the bike that I have. Apart from medyo nahihiya tayo kumbaga, this is what's stopping me from joining a group ride and this and that because of the bike that I have. Pero later on we will overcome it. Dapat kasi if yung bike mo is it's not that, you know, good or what. Dapat you are a good rider or you are a strong rider para they will not, hindi nila makikita yung bike mo, makikita nila yung how strong you ride. So yan, papalakas tayo ng gusto para kahit hindi tayo mag-upgrade ng bike. Ayan, so helmet, shades, ano pa pala, bike shoes. Yan, isa yan sa mga gusto ko na magkaroon. Kumbaga siguro it's worth spending a little on a bike shoes. Feeling ko lang say it don't make the difference, I think. Bike shoes, yan. So bike shoes, when it comes to mga bike shoes na ganyan, I don't know brands yet or what is good and what is not. Kalimutan ko yung may nakikita ako sa mga Facebook reel, yung bike shoes na medyo malapad kasi may kalaparan yung paa natin. Pont yata yun, I'm not sure. So yan, bike shoes, yung helmets, yung shades, bike computer, and siguro yung mga mga ilaw, and of course ito pa pala yung kumbaga upgrade that I want, that I need to have. I need to get a good saddle, yung saddle na talaga yung sukat na sukat sa atin, yung isa-suggest sa atin or i-recommend sa atin ng bike fitter. Yan, mga ganyan. Yan, so ayan, so we will have a different vlog for when I get those things and how much did I spend for that. So ayan, yun lang ang ating sharing is caring for today. So back to ride na ulit tayo, let's go. So yan, halfway mark na tayo, 30 kilometers or almost 30 kilometers. Swerte tayo dahil hindi pa lumalabas yung araw, pero tingnan mo doon, doon sa dulo may part na may putol yung ulap, tsaka madilim ang kalangitan dito sa part na to, part ng maybe bandang Dubai yung maliwanag, pero ito sa part dito usually ganito 6:20 na to, medyo mataas-taas na yung araw nito pero ngayon wala pa, hindi pa namumukadkad yung araw. So swerte tayo, mukhang makakarami tayo ngayon, malalaman. So tignan natin. Ay, lang, kalaban lang natin kasi medyo a bit windy, sobrang hindi man sobra, mahangin siya, may kahit paano may laban ng konti yung hangin, pero okay lang din naman, di naman ganun kalakas. So yan, 30 kilometers na tayo, halfway to 60, or let's see if we can push it to 70. Let's go. So yan, to nakaka 50 kilometers na tayo. So lipat tayo sa kabilang side, punta tayo sa Al Raha para ma-rewire yung utak natin, hindi natin isipin pagod na tayo, kasi para maiba yung scenery nakikita natin. So papunta ako doon sa may Al Raha side. So ayan, doon na natin tatapusin yung 60 or maybe 70, I don't know yet. So far nakaka 50 na tayo, so 10 more kilometers tayo, mga dalawang ikot ton. Tingnan natin kung kamusta ang pagod natin. Medyo maganda yung panahon, hindi pa masyadong mainit yung araw kasi may maulap, cloudy today. Kaya na nag-i-start na naman yung sumakit yung batok ko. So Siguro stop ako for a while, mag-stress stretching ng konti. Kasi, wala may sumasakit yung leg ko eh. So yan, punta tayo sa kabilang side. Let's go! Wow, wow, wow. Ayan, dito na tayo. Nakarating na tayo dito sa may Al Raha community na side. Mas malamig ang hangin dito, mas presko. So dito na natin tatapusin ang ating hanggang 60 kilometers. So right now 2 hours 6 minutes. So siguro mga isang oras pa. Sarap ng panahon ngayon, maganda yung araw, hindi hindi mainit. Yan na, let's go! So ito finally nilinis na nila tong Al Raha na cycle track na to. Wala na mga nakaharang sa sa bike track. Tinanggal na nila yung tinrim na nila yung mga bushes sa gilid. And until now tinataniman nila ng bago. Properly trim na, wala na yung matataas na bushes. It's alive. So right now I'm on a dilemma. Isip ko, will I push for 70 or let's stick to 60? I don't know. Parang parang I can still go more, pero that will be pushing yung parang kulang pag tumigil ka, pero pag nagtuloy ka parang sobra. Parang that's what I'm feeling na. Ewan, kasi medyo yung sumasakit na naman na yung ulo ko. Hindi ko alam kung sa positioning ba, because of from this shoulder here, I don't know. So titingnan natin if we're going to exit or not, if we're going to stop at 60 or we'll go for 70. Let's find out. Let's go. So ito, balik na tayo ng bahay. So hindi na natin pinush yung kailangan natin i-push. So I want to end up yung maalala ko masaya, hindi mahirap. Well anyway, feeling ko naman kaya ko pa yung 70, but I'd rather not. Parang at least para pagdating sa bahay I can still do something else. Hindi ako yung totally pahinga ng matagal. So ayan, ang final stats natin is 60 kilometers, 2 hours 37 minutes. Zone 2 pa rin. So ayan, salamat pala sa mga nakaabot dito. Thank you. And also thank you Lord for the safe ride. So hanggang dito na lang ating ride, hanggang video natin. Until tomorrow. Yan na. So if you find this entertaining, interesting and helpful, please paki-like, share and subscribe nyo na lang po. See ya, let's go.
Levitate, going up, elevate. Watch me demonstrate. On time, never late. I grind, celebrate. No pump, fake, hesitate. I've been scoring every day. Champagne Perrier. Since 9-3, been in the box, now stepping up to home. Like straight out the sandlot, now I'm plotting on the globe. I work hard, I show love, that calm and steady grind. Got this far, I go hard, let God take control. I was starving skinny, now my weight up, got no energy for haters. See you trying, see you later. I'm shooting for the